So hi guys, in this video I'll be reviewing the project Elixir 1.8. So as you can see, this is the latest version of project Elixir and the latest build, and the Android version is 12.1 and the kernel version they're using is no kernel. And let me just show you the features in this ROM. As you can see, the animations are so good. So animations are smooth, and as you can see, the way it opens is better than other ROMs, and the opening speed is also pretty fast. All apps are opening very fast, so that is fine, and widgets are very good. As you can see, you can add these widgets by long pressing and clicking on widgets, and you can scroll down and add any widgets you want. So clock widgets, you'll get many different widgets, and weather widgets you'll be getting in the weather, and other apps widgets you can just scroll and search. And let me show you the features right now. In the customization, you can customize the color to any other preferred color. So wherein I have chose green, so green is better, and Wi-Fi icons can be changed. This is how it's gonna look if you change the Wi-Fi icons, and this is the signal icon wherein it shows your mobile data. You can change this also to your specified one, so I have chose what I want. So sometimes this might happen. Your phone might randomly lock while in the settings, so that is not a big issue. You can just go back, and icon shape, you can change your icon shapes wherein I have chose this. So default icon is gonna look like this, and I had chose this. You can even choose anything you want. So icon looks pretty cool. So let's go to status bar. You can select any options you want. Battery percent, it can be inside the icon and next to the icon and hidden, which is default. So battery style can be icon portrait, which is default, circle dotted, circle filled, text hidden, which is very nice. And clock options, there are many more options in the clock. And tap to sleep, double tap anywhere on the status bar to pull and to the device to sleep, something like that. You can do it, and you can double tap to make your device sleep. And that the status bar goes, and this is the QoS panel. So these are the features that you get on QoS panel, wherein you can, when the device vibrates when you touch the QoS tiles. And let's go to the lock screen. Double tap to sleep on lock screen. So if you enable this, you can double tap to sleep on lock screen. And lock screen charging info, so it's gonna show you the volts, time remaining, and other stuff in the always on display. And screen off animation, you can use this option also. And force small clock, and here the lock screen ends, and this is the extras we get. Enable advanced restart. So well, I get restart now. If I click on this, my phone will just restart. And advanced restart menu, you'll be getting these advanced stuff wherein you can boot into system UI, bootloaders, system recovery. So this is an option. And key customization and call, which is there in all ROMs as the default. And fingerprint scanner, let me just show you how it is. Pretty fast with a good animation, right? So that is it. Annoying notifications, this is a good option. And game space, we have the latest game space. Let me just show you how it is. Well, you can click on the icon, and you can click on the settings, and you can change the mode to performance, battery, standard, and other stuff. And FPS info will be displayed, and stay awake, and many more features are there in this. So that is it for the game space. And next options, here ignore Windows secure flags. This removes the screenshot and screen record limits for all applications. And that is it for the essence of this ROM. And now for the Dolby Atmos, we can install the Dolby Atmos module, which I have done right now. This is the Dolby Atmos module which can be installing from Magisk. As I'll let you know, you need to be rooted to install this module. So you can just click on install from storage, and you can just click on this module or any other module you want to install. And if you want to use the Mi stock camera, you can flash the ANX port by, you can flash that module, which will be, you can flash the ANX verse next gen ANX camera, which will be giving you the Mi stock camera like this. As you can see, this is the stock Mi camera, which is pretty good, and it's better than the AOSP camera. So this is the AOSP ROM camera, and this is the Stock Rom's camera. Well, the fingerprint of his ROM is pretty fast. Let me just show that to you. That was good with the clean animation. And let's have the face unlock too. This ROM has the face unlock, which is pretty fast, but not like the stock ROM. So let me just show you about the soundbar. The animations are pretty good, as you can see. So this is how your soundbar is gonna look like. So well, when it comes to the performance, this ROM is pretty good at performance, as you can see. This is the CPU throttling tests, and the CPU is stable at every percent, and we got the Geekbench scores, which are pretty decent for this device. Single core is 840 and multi-core is 2081, wherein if you change the kernel, you can get different scores. And this is the ROM where I've got the highest read speed, which is 52,782. So Antutu score was 6,60,000, which was pretty decent for this device. So, and the panel, this is how the notification panel looks like. You can add or remove any features, that is live caption in this, thermal profiles, calculator, dual phone. You can turn on Dolby Atmos, many other features are there, which you can discover after installing this ROM. And that is all for this video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.